So we're having trouble keeping this stable because this sheet metal is like paper thin and those seams are ripping off. So anywhere we attach it's gonna rip off, so we have to get a clamp on one of the seams in there, tighten that B down, and hopefully it doesn't tear off the sheet metal. But it's so bad, it's like paper thin. I mean, look at the frame rail, it's like what, 18 gauge, 20 gauge, but it's horrible. This is why everybody puts a tube front on these, because it's paper thin. But we'll try to figure it out, pull it, see what happens.
Kink over here. Careful. Ставь теперь туда опять.
That's how you check for
still gotta go over
alignment. So we got her straightened out as much as we can. I'm gonna go in here and kind of bang this out a little bit, caress it here and there, fix this up, weld it. I'm gonna have to like squeeze this together and weld it up because it's separated. But yeah, so it's pretty much done. Now I gotta do is clean up around it, put the wheels on, take it off these pinche jack stands thingies, and roll her out. And then later tonight I'm gonna work on it because I'm still gotta do other work to afford this frame job. So yeah, I'm just gonna do that, stop wasting time. Peace.
On the beat. Chooky beat.
So I put her mostly together. It's not perfect, obviously there's lots of adjustment that's needed. But I'm just gonna bring it home and then figure that out later because it's taking up space at the shop. But everything's all good now. The radiator fits perfectly. This cap actually opens now because before this was like blocked by this intake. But otherwise, I tested her out. She runs good. I changed the thermostat since I had everything off. Hopefully that works out. But yeah, now I just gotta bring her home and figure her out from there. So let me close the hood real quick. There she is in all her glory. A few different colors, but I'll maybe paint the hood and the bumper, but we'll see. It's a drift car after all. I just want to send it. But yeah, now I'm just gonna clean up all this crap and go home because I'm late for a birthday party. So, peace.